Yeah, good to you guys. You are all welcome to mathematics class with Dr. Josh. In today's class, we are considering question 4 of this just concluded Waec. We are having here that P, Q, R, and S are points on the circle center K. KR is a bisector of angle SRQ. Angle SRQ. This angle KR bisects is according to the question. And angle KSP is 41. This is KSP. The angle here is 41. And angle SKR to be 40. SKR, the angle here to be 80 rather. Find angle RQP as angle RQP. Now this angle here, we are looking for this angle, and find angle SPQ. Angle SPQ. So we are looking for this angle. So we are looking for this angle. Now, when you look at this work very well, you observe that P, Q, R, and S is a quadrilateral in a circle. So that makes this question a cyclic quadrilateral. Now, one thing about cyclic quadrilateral is the sum of opposite angles, like this angle and this angle now, they are opposite. So the sum of opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral add up to 180. So this angle and this angle, they add up to 180. This angle and this angle, they add up to 180. So then here, we observe that KR and KS is a radius because it is a line drawn from center to the circumference of the circle. This KR, this KR, then to a point, it's drawn from center to a point of the circle. Then we have angle, this angle here, and that's angle SRK equals this angle here, and this angle here is angle KSR. Why? Because if KR is a radius and KS is also radius, so it means KR and KS, they are both equal, and that makes triangle KRS an isosceles triangle. So this is isosceles. So this is an isosceles triangle. Then therefore, we have the sum of angles in a triangle is 180. Do not forget. Then we are going to have this angle here with this angle with this 80 give us 180. Then we have to have angle XRK plus angle KSR plus 80 to be 180. And we have angle SRK and angle KSR to be equal. Then we can just put 2 angle SRK to be, we can take this 80 over here. Then we have 180 minus 80. When plus 80 coming over to this right hand side, it turns to minus 80. Then we have 2 SRK to be, that's 2 angle SRK to be 100. Then from here, we have angle SRK to be 100 divided by 2. That's 50 degrees. So angle SRK is 50 degrees. So this angle here is 50, and this here too is 50 degrees. Then do not forget, we are looking for this angle and this angle. Now to get this angle here, what we need to do is as simple as this. The first question is you look for angle RQP. That's angle RQP, that's this angle, the first angle we have to look for. So with that reason ourselves here, we can have angle RQP plus angle RSP. RSP. They add up to 180. Why? The reason is because the opposite angle of a cyclic quadrilateral add up to 180. Then here we have the reason is opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral. Then from here we have angle RSP to be 50 plus 41. And that was 50 plus 41 degree plus angle RQP that we're looking for. Angle RQP to be 180. Then here we have angle RQP to be 180. This coming over here. 50 plus 41, that gives 91. So 91 coming over here, we have 180 minus 91. Then we have angle RQP to be 180 minus 91. That gives us 89 degrees. So this angle here is 89 degrees. We're asked to look for angle SPQ. To find the value of angle SPQ here, this is what we need to do. It's still the same procedure. The sum of this angle and this angle, they add up to 180. Then, what we need to do is as simple as this. What will now be the value of this angle here? Because we don't know it. We've got the value of this angle here, which is 50. Now, to get the value of the angle here, this is what we do. Since KR bisects angle SRQ. Since KR bisects angle SRQ, that's angle SRQ, this angle here. Hence, since it's divided into 2, and we've gotten the first part here to be 50, hence, angle SRQ to be 2 times 50, which is 100 degrees. Then, if that's 100 degrees, then we have angle SRQ plus angle SPQ to be 180, because the sum of opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral add up to 180. Then here we have angle SRQ to be 100. That's 100 plus angle SPQ, which is 180. 100 coming over here. Then we have angle SPQ to be 180 minus 100. Then we have angle SPQ to be 80 degrees. So the value of angle SPQ is 80 degrees, and the value of angle RQP is 89